What's going on? It's your boy Crook Brown, and this is how to write a rap. For more tips like this, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you will be notified when I drop new content. One thing I wanted to talk about today was timing. A lot of times I hear these records and the rapper sounds like they really offbeat. Now, sometimes that may work depending on the audience, so don't just take my word as, hey, you can't be off beat. I just personally think it sounds better on beat. And one thing that I do a lot of times is keep time by like tapping on my leg while I'm in the studio, while I'm in the booth, or nodding my head to the beat so I can keep time, because I feel like a lot of times people fall off time because they lose the rhythm. And that's easy to do when you like focused on memorizing your bars or making sure that your bars are delivered properly. So one thing I want you to do the next time that you writing and rapping, it's time to record, tap your leg to the beat. Just kind of do it silently. You don't want the mic to pick it up, trust me. But you want to do it silently so you can try to keep the beat and see how that works for you. Or if you come up with any other tips to keep rhythm, let me know. I want to know. Put them in the comments. I thank y'all for tuning in. This has been how to write a rap. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Subscribe for more tips like this and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I drop new content. Y'all have a good one.